Flex waiting. Me young, I won't keep my hand. See this guy, Charlie.
Guy, this coronavirus don't stop business to be small.
Not true, no be like talk, not true. I don't die.
Guy.
Yeah.
Bread.
Which one?
How much this one?
No, 100.
This how much?
100.
I got this two.
I still not buy.
I won't buy the two. What is that?
Now get change.
Get him later.
Yeah, we'll change it.
Jesus. What's happening?
No collect money.
No, take the money, they go.
What? No collect money.
No collect money. No collect money.
No collect money again.
Sorry, my guy get coronavirus.
Jesus is Lord!
No collect money. No collect money. No collect.
What? You know you can be prosecuted for that?
Comment Kechi? Come on, baby, come collect your money. Tell us how much money. So how much for your money?
Money is so fine.
What?
Child!
Hey, come collect money.
My son. What about my son? What is this?
The table. What? Carry out. What the coronavirus? Come collect money now.
Apostle, we hear of this.
If I keep a maker for shop, you go dey give the girlfriend groundnut. See, my groundnut don't finish. No wahala. Customer, I do. Now come. Which one I do now? Come back, come. Yeah, how many now? 4. Okay.
Put all of them, guys. Put all of them.
Customer. One of your girl. I want.
Don't try your brother.
So, get coronavirus.
Hey, yeah.
Yeah.
Now mine now 15.
Jesus is Lord!
No coronavirus.
I know. Calm down. Calm down. No be today. We dey do am. We don't tell what we dey do am. We dey for the streets. Calm down. My money. That's him. You have to say on our wife. Active. I carry coronavirus.
Jesus is Lord!
Come on, I give my money to sister. Now they grace. Get coronavirus.
I carry coronavirus.
That's him. I carry.
You think say they wise? You are a woman! How many times will they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?